This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Open the trunk and remove the floor mat. Then unscrew the large nut and remove the trunk floor panel. Remove the spare tire or air compressor as applicable. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle by jacking under the front crossmember and supporting it on jack stands. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. Remove the starter heat shield. Remove the nut and detach the battery cable from the solenoid. Depress the connector lock and detach the electrical connector from the starter solenoid. Remove the bolt securing the bell housing cover. Unscrew the mounting bolts and remove the starter motor. Set the bell housing cover into place. Guide the starter motor into position, passing the nose of the starter through the bell housing cover, then installing the starter mounting bolts. Install the bell housing cover bolt and tighten it securely. Tighten the starter motor mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Plug in the electrical connector to the solenoid, then connect the battery cable to the solenoid and install the nut, tightening it securely. Install the starter heat shield and bolts, then tighten the bolts securely. Install the under-vehicle splash shield if equipped. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolts securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely, then lay the floor mat in place.